Welcome, I am Ade Moffat. This is the first video of the series Factors and Prime Factors. For this video, I will talk about factors, prime factors, and expressing numbers as a product of their prime. Welcome once again. We know that a factor of any number is a whole number that can divide another without remainder. For instance, 12. What are the factors of 12? Any number that can divide 12 without remainder is said to be its factor. Like 2 can divide 12 without remainder, and that will give us 6. So 2 is a factor of 12. 6 can divide 12 without remainder, and that will give us 2. So 6 is a factor of 12, like that. And here we have a prime factor is any factor that is prime. And we said prime means can be divided by itself and 1. So using the same example of 12, what are the prime factors of 12? We know the factors of 12 are 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. What are the prime factors of 12? So any factor that can be divided by itself and 1. 4 can be divided by 2. Can also be divided by 4. And can also be divided by 1. So 4 is not a prime factor. But 2 can be divided by itself and 1 only. 3 can be divided by itself and 1 only. So that makes them the prime factors of 12. But 6, 12, and 4 are not prime factors of 12 because they cannot only be divided by itself and 1. So here we're talking about expressing numbers as the product of its prime. Here, for us to express numbers as the product of its prime, we divide the numbers with prime numbers. So we start with 2, and if 2 cannot divide the number, then we'll try 3. If 3 cannot divide, we go to the next prime number, which is 5. Then go to the next prime number, which is 7. And the next, which is 11, 13, like that. So the first example we have here, we are told, example 1, express 12 as the product of its prime. So first, we try 2. And 2 in 12, that gives us 6. So look for what other prime number can divide 6 without remainder. So still 2. 2 in 6 gives us 3. So ask ourselves again, what prime number can divide 3 without remainder? That would be 3. And 3 in 3, we have 1. So we stop there. So remember we are told to express it as the product of its prime. So we are expressing 12. So we are having 12 will be equal to 2 times 3 times 2 times 3. So for 12, the product of its prime is 2 times 2 times what? 3. That's it. The next example, we asked to express 105 as the product of its prime. If you try 2, 2 in 10 is 5. 2 in 5 is 2. Remember 1, so 2 can't go. So what number can go? 3, yes, 3. 3 in 10, it gives us 3. Remember what? 1. And 3 in 15, that's 5. So what can divide 35 without remainder? That would be 5. Thank you. 5. 5 in 35, that gives us what? 7. So which other prime number again can divide 7 without remainder? Yes, 7. 7. Thank you. 7 in 7, we're having what? 1. So definitely we're having for 105, will give us 3 times 5 times 7. So this is how we write 105 as the product of its prime, and this is how we write 12 as the product of its prime. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.